Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make donut paper squishy step by step. Start by gathering paper, glue, a small balloon, and paint. I will guide you through tearing, layering, sealing, and shaping techniques that create a soft, springy donut texture. You will learn how to control moisture, add filler for bounce, and finish with paint and gloss for realism. Stick with me and we will build a perfect squishy donut together. Prepare your materials before you start so the process stays smooth and stress-free. Tear paper into 1-inch strips, mix glue to a cream consistency, and inflate a small balloon as the mold. Lay out sheets of wax paper to keep surfaces clean and set a drying tray nearby. Having everything ready speeds up layering and prevents mistakes, making the final squishy more even and durable. Work steadily and focus on even coverage while layering the paper strips around the balloon. Overlap strips in circular rounds to form the donut profile, and aim for 3 to 6 layers depending on how soft you want it. Allow layers to become tacky before adding more to prevent sagging, and rotate the balloon so gravity treats the piece evenly. This technique creates a flexible core that compresses and recovers nicely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.